Hello. You want to come out? Look at all those balloons. Happy birthday. Hi, Max. Hi, Nemo. What are all of these balloons doing here? Happy birthday, big boy. Bonk. Oh, there's a blue balloon. Whoa. This one too? Whoa. Oh, green. Whoa. Red. Whoa. Red. Oh. Whoa.
That doesn't sound like the same little boy who was crying when he woke up.
No, it doesn't. Yay, balloons! This one too? Oh, yay! That one too? Whoa!
Oh.
I'll better shake it off. Oh, so many balloons, we don't know what to do.
Happy birthday, Jace.